Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Dropbox OAuth for protected file picker UI step by step clearly. To authenticate with Dropbox OAuth for a protected file picker UI, start by navigating to the Dropbox developer's website. Create a new app by selecting the App Console option. Choose the Create App button. Select the appropriate API for your app, typically the scoped access. Then, choose full Dropbox or app folder based on your needs. Give your app a name and click Create App. Once your app is created, navigate to the OAuth 2 section. You'll find the app key and app secret here, which you will need later. Next, specify a redirect URI in the OAuth 2 section. Make sure this URI is authorized in your app settings. Now, go to your development environment and install the Dropbox SDK. You can do this using package managers like npm or pip, depending on your programming environment. Once installed, initialize the Dropbox SDK in your code. Provide the app key and secret when initializing the SDK. Create a button or link in your UI to initiate the OAuth flow. In the button's click event, redirect the user to the Dropbox OAuth authorization URL. This URL should include your app key and the redirect URI you specified. Prompt the user to log in and authorize your app to access their files. After authorization, Dropbox will redirect the user back to your app with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code from the URL parameters. Now, exchange the authorization code for an access token. Make an HTTP post request to the Dropbox token endpoint. Include your app key, secret, the authorization code, and redirect URI in the request. If successful, you will receive an access token in the response. Store this access token securely for future API requests. With the access token, you can now make authorized requests to the Dropbox API. Implement the file picker UI within your application. Utilize the Dropbox API to fetch files and display them in your UI. When users select a file, retrieve additional details as needed. Make sure to handle errors and exceptions gracefully during the authentication process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.